Still sending screenshots back and forth for feedback? That's old news. Let's go live right inside Photoshop. Dragging files into email, waiting for replies, chasing feedback? It's slow, it's clunky, and you deserve much better. Just click the blue Share button in the Photoshop toolbar. Invite your team, and there you have it. You're reviewing together in real time. They can comment, suggest changes, even scroll the design with you. No extra apps needed. Real-time feedback, cleaner workflows, and fewer edits. Want to master features like this? Book your Photoshop training session with us today.